Hi guys, welcome to my channel Karma Varma Readings. Today I'll be doing a half monthly November forecast for Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Capricorn. Let's see how what the future holds for the month of half November for you all. Let's just start with Scorpio since we are in the Scorpio season. Let's So Scorpios, I see you going through an emotional loss with somebody. Could be a past relationship. Uh, yeah, yeah. Maybe you offered somebody a cup of love and they didn't accept your cup of love. Uh, so a tower moment has come in your life which you need to heal your heart. There are a lot of emotions which are running right now. So you need to ground your energies. Also, the message I'm getting here. So you are in this heartbreak energy now. So the message from the God is that you need to sleep well. You need to heal your heart and give all that love to yourself because I'm getting the energy you need to be your own trophy wife, or that a person who's very abundant, very prosperous. So you need to give that love to yourself and work on your career and abundance because that will really help you. You might be facing some financial issues right now. You still need to sleep on time. And yes, the God will give you the justice which you need. Scorpius, you'll get your justice if anybody has really made you upset and played with your feelings. Uh, God will give you justice in terms of your money, is what I'm getting here. Uh, it's like an energy where you lose something but you win something like that. But yeah, you get this like. So you need to really start working on your pentacles is the message of start money on your money because money never made you sad, right? You made money. I don't think so anybody who's earning money has this energy of being sad. So yeah, that's what I have for you, Scorpios. Take care. I just thought you make a wish and stay healthy, stay blessed, and love you all. Have a great winter ahead. Let's get going with Sagittarius. Dangerous guy in this guy was Sagittarius. So interesting. Some of the Sagittarians have been very isolated socially, but with their family, like in the house, they might be isolated if there's work from home. But it's a very individual healing energy, like being by themselves, standing by themselves, holding their ground is what I'm hearing. Uh, to heal some family issues of deal with things which are related to the family. Very interesting energy. Never done this, but yeah, maybe could be some pressures regarding from the family is also what I'm getting here. Uh, Regarding marriage or having kids, buying a house probably, or moving somewhere across the city or a country or a state. Wow. But your focus right now is only on your Pentacles, Sagittarius, and God. There's some like God judgment which needs to be made in regarding. I think in regarding the hard work which you put while grounding your energy. Yes, listen to your intuition regarding a family situation or marriage. Yeah, I see a lot of dreams coming true for you all. Nine of Pentacles. You guys are getting a lot of abundance in the next 9 days, or could be 9 months or 3 weeks, or getting a lot of abundance after your Sagittarius, like in the Capricorn season is also what I'm seeing for some. For some, it could be one week, 8 days. Yeah, a lot of dreams coming through, a lot of money coming in for Sagittarius. And listen to your intuition. If a love offer could be on the forthcoming towards you. Wow. Don't be defensive about this because yeah, sort of, look things from a new perspective. Don't get too defensive. Uh, See things from a love of point, how your family is concerned about you, and how they care about for you. That's why they are like giving all these things. I know you need to stand up for yourself, but uh, so yeah, right now just I think enjoy your life, be independent, and yeah, be like a free bird. That's all I have for you. I'll say this. Love you all. Take care. Let's see what do Capricorn speaks. A quick energy for Capricorn. So the Capricorn has to be angel star and angel subscribe. Oof. Interesting. We got the 3 nights. Yeah. So Capricorn, I see you moving slowly towards some offer, or someone is coming towards you. Okay, could be a Capricorn sign as well, or an air sign. Can't really understand, guys. Yeah, I think it is you, Capricorn. I think you're moving to someone who you've broken your heart. So, yeah. Wow. Got it. I think Capricorn, you're moving towards someone who you've broken your heart to. You really need to communicate with them in a certain way. Very lot of sexual attraction towards each other, lot of passion and codependency addiction as well. You thought there are a lot of options, like there are a lot of fish in the pond, but you really love this person who was an air sign. I think this person was the first person to communicate with you regarding meeting and talking and coming towards you. I see transformation coming in this situation. You see an emotional loss, could be a long distance relationship. You could be in love with an air sign or a water sign, but you want to offer a cup of love, but you're very slow in this. Yeah, long distance, very long distance energy. I see a reconciliation happening, but currently need to work on being independent and loving yourself first when you look before you look at the eagle. Wow. Anyway, it's a very strong sign which I've got. Mm. Some could be in America. Wow. I see you want to offer a cup of love to somebody, but it'll be little. You need to really work on your pentacles first. Peace of mind, contentment, fire energy. Yeah. Keep the strength. Get your. Be very bold about the situation. And yeah, this is true love. If you're like really looking for like this is your soulmate, it is. Uh, but there is a time of healing before these things happen and come into place. Yeah, that's what I have for you guys. Take care. Love you all. I hope you enjoyed my reading. Like, share, subscribe my channel, Karma Word My Readings. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and yeah, take care. Have a blessed year. See you soon. Bye.